Okay, so this I record too for myself, so I know my steps. Okay, so you start for the lady step. You start here, close your feet, and you're gonna bounce for 5 counts. This arm straight with your partner. So you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start switching weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit lean to your partner. And he give you a signal. 5, 6, then hips. 7, 8. Then you have cross leg. 1 step, 2 with the hip. 3, 4. Then you have twist. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here you have a kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor step. 1, 2. Now use this chest forward to change. 3, 4. Jumps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Body weight. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Taps. Like it just 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Connect to your partner. Give him your hip weight. Rock steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock step. 1, 2. Tap, tap. Twist, 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 twist. Kick, ball change. Kick, ball change. Kick, and close. Here, wait 1 count. Then you go right 1, 2 points with the boom body bump back. 2, 3, 4 points. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg forward. Now you have 1, 2. Here, hang on your arm. Switch. 3, 4. And from here, going again to the points. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into rock step. Rock step. Triple step. Triple step. And rock step. Turn, 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 turn into the knee. And then from here, you go up, side, together. And then you go again. Very good. Got it? Yeah. Yes. Very, very good. Okay.